What's going on? Oh, someone already posted it. Someone already posted it. Thank you. Thank you. Kevin, the car guy, Tick Daddy, Bit Crypto, Fibonacci, Olisa, Tick Daddy. Oh, yeah. No, I just wanted to post a link in the Discord, and someone already did. Wild J already did. K9, Elevated Life. Check out my brokerage statement. Oh, thank you, Trader Guy. Thank you. Trader Cat. Yeah. Let me just log into my Apex account. My Apex account. My brokerage statement. I just posted a video on my channel showing my P&L with Apex since day one. I don't know if you guys got to watch it. You don't have to, obviously, but you should. Why not? Watch it, smash the like button, spam it in other people's discourse. Be like, wow, look at 0 Day J. you know? Log into some burner accounts on Twitter and repost all my posts on Twitter. And then block people who just ask you to fucking show your account numbers because you're bragging about how much you're making with them, even though you won't get them to a payout probably, and then communicate with them from your burner account, where the only fucking tweets that you have on that account is retweeting yourself in your real account. It's too fucking funny. Shit's real life, yo. It's real life. Oh my god. It's fucking hilarious. Great Dane, Handsome Dan, Catastrophe. Yeah. I don't even know how long I could hang out. I just know that my wife and daughters are watching they've been binge watching Tell Me Lies pretty much all day. And they're still down there watching that shit. So I figured I'm going to fucking stream for a little while. Oh, nice. Oh, my trajectory? Yeah, fuck yeah. That's what I'm saying, man. Yeah. I just got over break even with Apex. But just in the last 2 months alone, I'm fucking, what was it? Just with Apex plus 31,000 or some shit. Moravsky, what up? All right. Oh man. Oh man, it's so funny. It's so funny. The shit that goes on in this fucking space. What a novel idea, showing your fucking account numbers. Red candles. Matthew Van Zant. How hard can it be to just show your fucking account numbers?
Yeah, trader guy, man. It's just a matter of just, you know, chart time, no having a couple of things you could see, or even just one thing and waiting for it. And that's it. Just waiting. And then, not letting the shit, having some stop losses and honoring them. All right, let me share my screen. It's how hard can it be? It's that easy. You see, guys, I just happen to find I just happen to figure some things out. I'm able to see the fibs really well. So that's all I fucking look for. I don't give a fuck about anything else. You know? That's it. And I don't know what it is, what that thing's going to be for you or anybody else watching this. But whatever that one thing is, once you find it and you could see it and you could execute on it, because that's the biggest thing, being able to actually execute, just fucking do it. And that's it. Don't fucking do anything else. You see, guys? So I started my fucking day trading these accounts that I blew. I blew these the other day. But apparently there was an outage on Tradeovate with metals, and fucking Lucid gave everybody their accounts back. But I blew it today, so I didn't have a lot of drawdown. I was actually, no, yeah, I was kind of green, and then I was red, and I got some of it back, and then blah, blah, blah. Oh, actually, here's a funny part about this. Fuck, I was posting it in the Discord. I literally watched what the fuck happened to me. I was right. And hold on, let me be like all the professionals. Let me hide my account numbers. Yeah. All right. 3, where is it? Where did I get fucking top ticked? I literally got fucking top ticked. Where is it? Right here. Right here. Watch this. You ready for this shit? Hold on. Let me have my account. Can I have my account numbers anymore? Yeah, there we go. Let's really fucking hide them. I want to be like all the big dogs. I want to be like Alexander. So check this shit out. I think we're going short. So what happens? My stop is right here. It literally fucking top ticks me at, I get in at 725. I get top ticked at 748. And then I start going against it. But look how much it fucking dropped. It went from fucking 748 to 599. It went down 149 fucking ticks from there. My entry was 725. It went down 125 ticks from there. And I blew the accounts. Go fucking figure. Of course that would happen to me. Literally got top ticked. Martin Suarez, K9. He probably is. He's probably going to start criticizing me from a burner account. Fucking clown. Bowser, what up? You see, guys? Miss K, AS, Nikki. Have I ever used Top One? No. I don't like fucking with red candles. What's up? Marco, what's good? I don't like fucking with prop firms that come from the Forex space. And Top One was the first one that did. And, in the beginning, they had like retroactive rule changes and shit like that. They fucked a lot of people over. And I'm glad I had I'm glad I had nothing to do with them. Someone just got a payout. I think it was CyberPi. They just, I don't know if they got their money, but they did request $7,500 on Friday. So, they're still around. I also know the guy who runs and owns that shit, and that guy's been around the block a few times. Matt Morris. He ran like an MLM called Success University, I think it was called. Probably a couple of others too. Guy's been in the internet marketing, make money online space for a long time, and then I guess he got into the prop firm trading space. But there's that one, and then you got Funding Ticks. Funding Ticks is ceasing operations. Oh man, another Forex prop firm that fucked everybody over. They did rug pull a bunch of people. They literally fucking retroactively changed rules, and a bunch of accounts got breached, or payouts got denied, or people got pushed to live. They didn't even get to a payout yet. And then recently, like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, they basically mass IP breached everyone, just about everyone. What are the chances that many fucking people all violated all happen to fucking use a different IP address to fucking trade? And then here we are today. They fucking announced that they're fucking ceasing operations, funding ticks. So I don't know. I don't fuck with prop firms that come from the Forex space. Wild J. Yeah, bro. We got fucked together. Bobby Digital, what up? It's moving, but it's moving. Bro, the shit popped. It popped so fucking hard. I was playing baseball when it happened. Look at this. It gapped up all because it is Greenland and fucking the EU and all this shit going on. Tariff talk. And shit just got wild. If we fucking we just missed hitting 4,700. Silver pop too. And then it's kind of been it looks like it's in some sort of bull flag right now, but either way, it's been cucking around here, but like in a decent sized range. It's just the candles are, tomorrow's a half day. The market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. So, and a lot of shit. The market's closed, but not the futures market. So there's not going to be the usual volume. Tomorrow's a half day. But oh, Handsome Dan, yeah, bro. Thank you, man. The analogy about our success in trading or anything really worth doing, right? You're not just going to go straight up like this. It's not going to be just a straight fucking line, a linear line up. You're going to fucking have dips and peaks, and I likened it, what Dan is talking about, I likened it to, a Fibonacci retracement. You'll be doing great. And then all of a sudden you'll get a pullback and it'll bounce off the 618 or whatever. I went down in September all the way down to the fucking 786 and I bounced off of that shit and I fucking broke out. And here I am in the last, in 6 weeks, I got $60,000 worth of payouts from December 1st to January fucking 15th. And the month's not over. I'm out of fucking accounts that I could get daily payouts on, but I still have a bunch of Apex accounts. I got these 2 Lucid accounts right here. I fucking blew these the other day, and then I got them back and blew them again today. But these are on day 2. I think I got 2 days in with these. Hold on. Let me look. Dash. And Lucid, by the way, introduced some new plan called Black. It replaced the Pro. You could get paid in as little as 3 days. Pretty fucking crazy. Use the best code 0DayJ to grab an account if you want to check. Let me see. We'll look at them together. Oh wow, I had pretty much the same day. Again, of course, like if I would have held this longer, I would have had a much bigger day, but so it goes. So we got 2 days in on these two. 6 and 5 and 6, 5 and 6. And I need 3 more days of $150 or more, and I can request. How hard can it be? Those are flex accounts. So that's some fucking shit I was watching about silver, which was very interesting. Let's go to plans. Lucid Black. Don't use code Black. The fucking default codes on these prop firms. I'm going to fix this right now. The fucking default codes on these prop firms are dog shit. You want to use the fucking best code, 0DayJ. Let's fix this right now. But there it is, 40% off Lucid Black accounts. They replaced. We're gonna go into like the the specifics of it, but they replaced the Pro account. I don't think you could buy a Pro account anymore. Watch this. I don't know if you could save on anything else, but I know you could save on these. Look at that. Fucking getting good at that shit. Let me drop this in the Discord. Just to let the Discord, let the DCA gang know. Boom. Boom. You see, guys? If you want to support the channel, use the best code 0DayJ. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop from Streets. If you were not aware, Apex extended their sale. Now, can you still get 35% off? Can you still get 35% off the Flex accounts? I don't know. What's 91? 139. What is that? 48. 139 minus 91. 48 divided by 139. Yeah, I think you can still save 35% off on Flex accounts. The 25 and 50Ks. Everything else is 30% off. Use the best code 0DayJ. All right, let's see. FAQ. Is there an FAQ on Black? Nothing yet. I just know it's like 3 days. I know it's 3 days to get paid. I don't know the specifics, though. I'm sorry for not knowing more. Someone posted it in here in the Discord. They were talking about it earlier. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, no one. Yeah, people are saying, this is from the DCA guy, the DGen fam. Black is basically a quicker payout version of Pro. Yeah, I don't know. We'll learn. We'll find out more about it. 3 days. All I know is you could get paid in 3 days. Bigger payout potential with bonuses. I think there's a 60% consistency rule on evals and a 40% consistency rule on the funded accounts, but they haven't posted all the specifics on their FAQ yet. So that's that. So I traded the Lucid accounts, my Flex accounts. Where are we at? We're just cucking around. We been in this range, but it's not a small range. We rejected off the 707 here. I missed it. Of course, it was a 100-tick drop, and then we've just been cucking around ever since. We cucked over here. So here's my Flex account, my funded Flex account. Not my funded Flex account. Sorry, my funded Apex account in Wealth Charts. My take profit got hit, of course, but it was fucking, it was fucking around. Oh, whoops. It was fucking around, and I started trailing tight with my stop, and of course it came down, took me out, and then continued up towards my take profit, and 5 minutes later my take profit got hit. But whatever. I'll take $392. It's at 865 total after 2 days of trading. I only gave back $70 on my drawdown, so I'm pretty much almost maxed out on my drawdown. Robin, what's up? You've been waiting on your payout from Tick Trader since December 15th. They're another one. You can't even buy accounts with them unless you're already an existing user. Martin Suarez. Yo, I just asked him. I just asked the guy. He posts, he's posting his fucking I made 31,000 on my Apex PAs today. Who knows what fucking day he's on. And of course he's not showing his account numbers. So I just asked, I was like, hey man, can you show, what account number, what account number are your PAs up to now? It was hard. I couldn't tell. I know you had to cut off the account numbers, so you could fit everything in your screenshot. And then he blocked me. Instead of just saying, yeah, I'm up to PA number, 1273, he just blocked me instead. Just like when I asked fucking Dakota, because he's posting his PNL on his fucking live account on Twitter, but it still has all the balances like this. He had the whole thing like this. You see? This is how he had it. He's still not showing his balance. I was like, yo, why don't you just show us what your balance is? And then he resorted to insults. Started talking about me and my lack of education or some shit. How the fuck does he know whether or not I have an education or not? And what does that have to do with me asking him how much balance his fucking live account has? And then you should fucking come to see me live and watch me trade. Why? Why would I watch you trade? You never show your account balance. That's all he said. And he posted a screenshot of his brokerage statement. He really did. His brokerage statement. So he never. What's so hard about showing your fucking balance or showing your fucking account number? All these fucking guys. It's not that hard. Look, here's my account numbers. 554. I had some evals come through at $16.70 on rebills. Why not? Why not try to pass those? Uh-oh. I'm about to be in trouble. Hello. Oh shit. All right. I'll be right down. I'll be right back. I gotta hang out, guys. I gotta flush my dog's ears. He's got a fucking ear infection. And then we'll talk. But hang out. I'm sorry, Chad. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. Who else is out here? You need to build a threshold for every payout. Oh, is that like what fucking Top Step did? For your safety and my privacy. Shaman. What happened to Funded Next? Yo, put it in the chat. What happened to Funded Next? You posted it, Bowser? What, in the Discord? Here it is. I got to go down. Oh, Micah did too. You got to do it all over again. All right. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, I love Lucid Flex. Here's Bowser. Lucid Black launch, bonus pay. I'll leave it on that. But hang out a sec. I'll be right back. I got to flush this guy's ears with my wife. I got to pin him down or he runs away. Hang out. You guys could watch that and talk amongst each other. Shaman, let us know what happened with Funded Next. I'm curious. Hey, chat. Tony Gold. Funded Next hit a lot of people with the IP. They did the IP breach thing too? Wow, what the fuck? Notice the trend here. They both whatchamacallit, Funding Ticks just did the same fucking thing. And then Funding Ticks went out of business. But it's always it seems like these fucking Forex platforms like to fuck around. That's crazy. It's almost like they fucking the CEOs, the CEOs were texting each other. Yeah, it fucking we saved $4 million in payouts, in potential payouts by doing it. And then the other guy from Fund Next was, yeah, I'm gonna do it too. All of a sudden, everybody's violating their fucking. All of a sudden, people are breaching not the IP. They're using a different IP address apparently. What a bunch of bullshit. I mean, shit happens. Like I had my VPN on for like 3 days and didn't even know it, because to log into Mexi or Qcoin, I have to fucking use a VPN. Thank God I wasn't trading with fucking Funding Ticks or anything, or Funded Next apparently. Who said it? Thank you. They won't. Not many will. DBT. Yeah, exactly, bro. Fucking scumbags. Tony Gold. Who else I missed? Carbonite. What's up? Bowser, thanks for posting it. This is everything you need to know about it. About the new the new black plan. I still like the flex. I fuck with flex. I'm posting this in the fucking Discord. Anyway. Yeah, Lucid's the shit. Even if you guys don't like the plan. I mean, I don't know. I fucking request a payout with Lucid and it's in my bank account 5 minutes later. Willie C. Oh, Top Step hit you up about it? That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, people use VPNs. I use it for fucking crypto, because some of these fucking not crypto, not prop firms, but some of these exchanges, they you gotta, if you're in the US, you gotta log in with a VPN to get in there from like London or some shit. It's fucking crazy. No, Red Candle. Use code 0DayJ, bro. If you didn't use the code, if you're gonna grab a black account, this is the code you want to use. The best fucking code right here. There it is. It'll give you up to 5 uses. 0DayJ. The in-house codes are the worst codes. Whoever you like to support when they stream, those are the best. Well, mine's the best. Anybody else's is not as good, but the fucking in-house default code is the fucking worst code. It's got bad juju. It's got the lowest pass rate, the lowest payout rate, and the slowest payout rate. My code 0DayJ has the fastest payout rate, the highest payout rate, the fastest payout rate, the highest pass rate too. Oh, you know what else is cool about Lucid? Once you pass, right? Let's say you pass it, you'll be able to activate the thing like 5 minutes later, right? That's how it was with these. I passed. I had 2 flex accounts. I needed $1,500 to pass. I passed them yesterday. Did I pass them? I passed them while I was streaming. I fucking passed these while I was streaming, and then 5 minutes later, 4 or 5 minutes later, I was able to activate them, and then I fucking traded them and got $400 something. I got a day one in. So this is where we're at right now. It's kind of moving really slow. I wonder what it's going to be like when London opens. I don't think London celebrates MLK Day. Yeah, like what's the like what is you like that's the weird thing, Willie. Like what is you having Surfshark on your fucking thing? How does that raise a red flag? I mean, I know, people maybe because they think maybe you have like a someone else living in your house that you're fucking hedging with from a different IP address or some shit. Chef Chris, what up? Let me drop that link. Let me drop that link to the video. I just posted this video. If you guys want to watch it, it's I literally just went through my all the money I spent on my fucking on Apex since day one. Here's the link. Went through my whole P&L day one with Apex till now, including how many payouts I got. Yeah, Shaman. I mean, I appreciate it, man. I mean, at some point, you would think I would get better or more consistent because I showed flashes of being good or being good enough, right? I've always been good enough to get, not always, but I've been good enough to get payouts since fucking May of 2024. And I never missed a month from July on. I didn't miss a single month of payouts. Had a couple really fucked up months, just a lot of inconsistencies. And then like kind of just whatever happened to me with those Apex accounts in September was like the final straw that broke the camel's back. And, you know, it didn't stop. It didn't end right. It didn't end when I blew the last group of the accounts. It kind of continued into October. And then from October 16th till now, I'm at like $87,000 in payouts. Trader guy, I did. I've done it. I've done it for every firm. The only one I can't really do it for is Take Profit Trader because there's too much shit going on in my account. Lisa. Oh, you don't? Okay, I figured you didn't. Obviously, it's an American thing. Martin Suarez, I don't know, man. I don't know. I would go hang on their Discord and see how many people are fucking bitching about it. I showed it for every firm. I Trader guy, weren't you on one of those streams? I showed it for every firm that I trade with, except for Take Profit Trader, and not because I'm hiding it. I feel like if I had to guesstimate, I'm probably like $3,000 to $5,000 in the red on Take Profit Trader. But I mean, hold on. Lucid. This was before. I mean, it's even more now because I just got 2 more payouts. Let's see what my total payouts are with Lucid. All right, I'll be right back. Now we gotta put I gotta hold him down so we can put the stuff in his ears. I'll be right back. But here's all my payouts. Maybe you guys could do the math. It's gone up. I'll be right back. you gotta put like the saline solution in his ears and let it sit for like 10 minutes, let it dry a little bit, and then put the actual medicine in his ears. It's a fucking pain in the ass. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it lets me drop it in like I could with Apex. Some D6 D's and D13. Oh, you fucker. D13. What? See, this shit isn't fucking real. Let's just do it the old-fashioned way, shall we? 1399.40 plus 1399.40 plus 1541 plus 1541 plus 2000 plus 1500 plus 1030. I'm missing a payout. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm missing payouts. This is stupid. It doesn't work as good with other firms. It's easier to Apex is like the easiest. Oh, what was I up to? What do I need? 1034 and 1150. 1040. Hey, I'm taking those 30 cents. I'm counting that. 1152.40 plus 614.70. Now my total payouts with them is 12,182. My payouts went up, you know, 3,050 bucks, and my expenses probably went up. I don't even know, a few hundred probably since December 29th. Let's see if I can find an account. Let's see how much money I spent on account since December 29th. I might have to hide my screen though. You don't mind that, do you, chat? David Schneider, what up? Thank you, man. Thank you. Coach HID, what's good, bro? Maximus the Conqueror. Yeah, but it wasn't even that. That's not even the problem. That wasn't even the problem. It didn't take all of the fucking. It didn't even paste all of the shit I grabbed onto the spreadsheet. But it doesn't matter. We did it already. One sec. Let's see how much I need to get off of the fucking. I need to get off of the dashboard. I need to go to the portal. I'll tell you. Orders. Okay, 8450 times 2. 8450 plus 8450. Yeah, I could turn this back on. I wasn't sure. I didn't remember if any sensitive information was going to show. So remember, since December 29th, that was what the number you saw on the spreadsheet was, and then I did these four. So 8450 times 2 and 8075. So another $330.50. So I went from $23.49 to $26.79. But my payouts went up over 3,000. You know what I mean? I'm like fucking what? I went from being like 6,700 in profit to like 8,800 in profit or some shit. Not bad. That's Lucid. Here's my funded futures. Where was it? Yeah, here's my total spend. Here's my total payouts. Bullinox. Here's my total payouts. Where's my total spend? 11,178. It's a little bit more. It might be a little bit more. Well, this might be the last account I bought. I don't remember. That might be it. That's the account I fucking couldn't get to a payout. I just fucking blew this the other day, like last week. So I mean, there's what's that? 10 grand I'm 10 grand in profit with fucking Bullinox. Like 85 or 8,800 in profit with Lucid. Hold on, let's just add this. 330.50. 12,182. 12,182. 23.49 plus 330. 23.49. 15 plus, whoops, 330. I don't remember what it was. 330. Let's round up and say it was 331. 2680. 2680. 12,182 minus 2680. Sorry, I did the math wrong. I'm 9,500 in profit. So 9,500 in profit with fucking Lucid. I don't even know, it's $600, almost $600 with my fund, the futures. It was better, but I just, last batch of accounts I got with them, I haven't been able to get to a payout. Whatever, it happens. Apex, well, you guys saw it. You guys see, let me do, here's Apex again. 108,926. 109,772. 109,772 minus 108,926.70. 108,926.70. 845. And then trade day. I mean, trade day is like ridiculous. 17,598. I spent like I'm probably up another $500 in accounts right now. Maybe 600. But I did 17, almost, you know what I mean? 17,600 in payouts. It's okay. I'm just trying to fucking push hard and get these funded accounts. I keep fucking blowing the evals though on like day one or day, on day two and shit. But I'm very profitable. So even if I was with Take Profit Trade, or even like I said, I'm somewhere like 3,000 to 5,000 in the red. You saw everything else. Oh, and like with Top Step, I think I'm like negative $500 or $600, some shit like that. Negative 700 or negative 1,200. I'm good. I'm profitable overall by a good amount, a decent amount. It's better than being red. So there's everything. Chat. Oh, there's a 786. Oh my God. I missed it. Too busy fucking yapping. So anyway, that was a fucking missed opportunity. Look at this. 823. It dropped fucking 40 ticks, 40 something ticks. Lance, what's up, man? Yeah. I haven't traded as much as I wanted to. Just keep in mind, like if you trade with Apex, Martin Luther King Day, which includes tonight's session, tomorrow, and Tuesday is one day. So you don't have to like force yourself to trade unless you see something you like. And I missed it. Look at that. You had the upper, the VWAP band. Let's see if it retests. I'm just worried it wants to like go higher, retest a high, or at least come up this far. Rick. Yeah. It's not that hard. I don't understand what the fucking what the big deal is. Why can't people show this shit? Oh, Lance, I think the Lucid, that's what I trade. I trade the Lucid Flex. What's up, Robert Gallus? Crank, what's good? How hard can it be to just fucking be transparent and show your accounts? Oh. 31. Actually, that was like 50 something, almost 60 ticks. Almost 60 ticks. See how it's like just moving slow, and then all of a sudden it'll fucking like you'll get like this big candle. What's up, Robbie Baldwin? Yeah, man, I'm on, man. I'm just fucking tired. I'm tired. Yeah. Like, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to keep going down. I don't trust this shit. It might. It very well might. There it is. Or it's going to retest. See how it's kind of it's just cucking around, man. It just cucks and then it makes a move in either direction. Stevie J, what up? Oh, thank you, man. They're good. What's up, Penguin? Hope the same for you. Oh, it's that good, Crank? I don't think I've ever taken NyQuil. Oh, maybe. Long time ago. I wonder if this wants to keep going up. What's the NQ doing? Is it? You know, I'm actually in a position also on MEXC. I'm in this fucking Zcash long. I was in a Zcash long, and then this fucking everything dumped when the market opened, and I was playing baseball, and I got liquidated from the position, but I wasn't like all in. I risked $355, so I lost $355, but I got half of it back as of right now. And if you can't see because my head's in the way, hold on. There we go. Maybe my head's below this now. Zcash. It's actually 20x leverage. Fucking leverage trading. This is not a fucking prop firm account. This is MEXC. It's just a regular crypto exchange, but I'm leverage trading. How much did I just fucking... Oh, this shit was up higher. How much was this up? 370. Let's just say 372. Let's see how much I had at 372. I had $322, almost all of it. Oh my God. I got almost all of it back there. I missed it. I want to... Right now, I have a stop set. It's basically a trailing stop that if it hits it, and it probably will because that's what happens to me a lot, but I just want to lock in gains, especially after losing that last trade. I'll make $74. Of course, I fucking missed that other shit. It's coming for it. It's coming for it. Look. It's coming for it. It just always fucking comes from my fucking stops. It doesn't matter what I'm trading, where I'm trading. It just knows. Anyway, anywho. How did I get past KYC? What KYC? It's called a VPN. They're not fucking super strict like KuCoin. I can't do shit on KuCoin. But me and my partner in another company, we've referred over 9,200 people to KuCoin. So you would get a commission. And the problem is almost all of them were US based users. So you would get a commission on any of the fees that they paid when they place any type of trade, whether they were just trying to move money around. And we still get that, and I'm able to withdraw that. You know, like some money comes in. It's not a lot, but I mean, it's like the campaign, the paid advertise, like we were doing targeted, paid ads, and it just keeps paying. And those ads haven't ran in over 2 years. See, look, it retested. So we hit the 7. This happens a lot. So we got up to the 786. we pulled back, and then we retested the 707, and now it's going back down. But I don't know if it's going to, but I've seen it happen so many times. Lance, I mean, are you talking about smoking weed? What's my favorite trade? The fibs, a 707 or 786 bounce or rejection. That's it. That's all I care. That's all I look for. Obviously, the larger the time frame, the bigger the move will be. But you could also get caught with having your shit drawn on the wrong high or the wrong low, and I don't like trading gold when it's parabolic. You know what else you could do? Hey, Crank, you could also load up on vitamin D. You get fucking like the drops, and like when you feel yourself getting sick, you should like take it every day. Vitamin D is good for you. But get some natural sunlight too. But take like fucking 20 to 25,000 IUs of vitamin D when you feel like you're gonna get sick, and don't take any of it. Don't take it again for like 5 to 7 days. You gotta basically like fucking macro dose the shit out of yourself with it. It'll help. Between that and the zinc. And if you want to load up on like vitamin C and vitamin B plus, shit like that. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I feel like it's gonna I don't know. I don't trust it. And we're getting into a new hour, and who the fuck knows? I mean, we're getting into the hour leading up until London, and man, a lot of times, I don't know how it's going to be tonight, but a lot of times it gets really fucking crazy, like just the way it moves around. So, yeah, London, yeah, gold, like the hour or two leading up into London, and then London itself for gold is just fucking nuts. But I don't know if that's going to happen today because there's not as much volume. The regular markets are closed. Yeah, zinc. You get like zinc lozenges. There's a company called Sambucus. They make a zinc lozenge, and then like it actually like soothes your throat too if you got like a sore throat. And then I take zinc every day from a company called Seeking Health. It's good for testosterone production. Us older guys got to do shit like that. See, it's retesting the 786 here. I don't know if it's going to keep going. I have a feeling I'm going to have to expand to the next high. I'm kind of just chilling, man. I look like I'm an 18, Cristo. The only 18 you know with a fucking gray head and gray beard. Yeah, this is getting interesting. This is getting interesting for sure. Activating the Fib 6. These accounts are five. I really just need $502 and I could be eligible for a payout request. Well, not in the same day. Like, oh, I need 3 more days of $50 or more, but I need $502 because of the consistency rule. The 30% consistency rule resets from payout to payout. So based on what the biggest day I've had so far, I got to grow the account another $502 each of these accounts. So let's see if I can get fucking filled up here. I'll wait. How many ticks is that? It's only 40 ticks from here. With Lucid? Well, let's see. I'll show you the flex. I don't know what size are you trying to trade? Yeah. At least you're getting something. At least you're getting something. Let's see. This is the payout profit goal. Profit goal. I don't know what the payout is though. Let's see. I don't really know. I could show you Flex because I guess they still have to update their website. Oh, they have them. They posted it. Here's the black. To be eligible for a payout, you must meet your minimum profit goal during each payout cycle. No more buffer, it seems. You need to get to at least 1250 on a 25K, 3,000 on a 50K. Notice there's no 150K. They got rid of the 150K. They used to have a 150K pro account. Can't get one anymore. 100. Did I just get filled? No. 4,500 on the 100K. Bonus payout profit optional. Hit a higher profit target. Oh, so they like incentivize you to grow the account further and basically risk not getting anything. Minimum payout request is 500. So there is a buffer. Is there a buffer? There's no buffer, but your minimum payout request is 500. I'm so confused. Bonus payout max. You can get an extra $1,500 on a. You may. Maximum payout. Max payout on a 50K is $1,500. You can request only 500 and keep more of a balance. Minimum payout amount, maximum payout amount. So this is the black accounts. A little confusing, but bonus payout maximums. You could get an extra 50. You could get as much as 3,000 from a 50K black account. I don't know. Sounds confusing. With Lucid Flex, literally, you just need 5 days of, depending on the account size. Most of us trade 50K, so 50K, 5 days of $150 or more. You take 50% of your balance. The minimum payout request is 500, so you have to grow the account by at least 1,000 to be able to request from a Flex account on a 50K. Really, any size account. Any size account. Minimum payout request is 500, no matter what size account you have. Just, with a 150K, if you need to have 5 days of $250 or more, you're going to grow the account to 1,250. And then you can request 625. So I think the flexes are great. So that's what I'm trading. You see, this is what I was worried about. I thought it was going to, I was worried about this. You see, guys, that's why I expanded my fib to the next high, and which is the high a day. Right now, we have the up of the VWAP band here, and you have the 618 too. But I think it's going to keep pushing. It's new arrow fuckery. Devin, what's up? Yeah, you have a consistency. You have 50% consistency on a flex eval, but no consistency on the funded. You could run that shit up and not have to worry about it. Yeah, Penguin, I'm with you, man. I'm with you. Flex, I think Flex is the shit. All I know is like if you guys are at the point in your prop firm trading journey where you could just run, just rack up payout after payout after payout with the same account. I have a feeling I know the Pro Live was a lot better than the Flex Live, so I have a feeling it's going to be the same for the Black Live. But that's all subjective. Coach, yeah, Coach HID, I'm with you, man. Yeah, you could get paid in as little as 3 days, but like, oh, this motherfucker's going to hold here. You gotta push the account. It could have just come up a little bit more. Fuck. It couldn't just come up 21 more ticks. It just dropped 40. Fuck, man. So I bring this back down here. It basically wicked over the 786. And the fucking upper of the VWAP band is what held it fucking from going any further. Amazing. We could bounce though. Oh, Lisa. The only improvement from the flex is 60% on evals. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. Is there much of a difference between 50 and 60%? You just got to get it halfway up on a 50. Yeah, I'm going to hop on early, Crank. Which means I'm not trying to stay up super late. Fuck, my bad. Holy shit. People are panicking. People are panic buying. I have shit on eBay. I've been buying and selling gold and silver on eBay for a few years now. Like flipping that shit, buying low, selling high. People are buying shit from me on eBay like they are fucking terrified where silver's going to go. They're buying anything. They're buying shit I've been sitting on for fucking a while. Where's silver at? Where's silver spot? Yeah, they're fucking terrified, man. They are terrified. I wish I had more to sell. I'm almost feeling like I'm going to regret selling it too. I sold something for what worked out to about $150 an ounce before fees. And I feel like we're going to get to $150 an ounce at some point. It's fucking crazy. People are just buying shit. Left and right. I got unread messages. It's getting wild out here. People are genuinely fucking terrified. P. Yeah, NQ is just kind of melting. I mean, if it breaks this low a day, I mean, it might not just fucking drop slowly. It might fucking fall hard. P, I don't know. It looks pretty bad though. It doesn't look great. Who knows? I wonder if I got taken out of this. Oh, look, this shit went up higher. This shit's bound. This shit's gonna go higher. My Zcash. My leverage Zcash trade. Yeah, because of fucking MLK, it's like the volume is just down. And what's good, Sparta Nick? Yeah. I don't know if they're gonna add it anytime soon. Wild J. Yeah, bro. Bro, Crank, yeah. These fucking they went out scumbagging people first though. It's fucking crazy. Maybe I should pay attention to gold. See, look. Here we go. Damn, Sparta Nick, bro. I'm sorry that happened to you, bro. I mean, I know, and I hope you know that you'll get right back at it, and you'll be getting back to payout land because you were fucking, you've been fucking killing it. So it happens. It happens, bro. This market hasn't been easy to navigate, especially with all of this uncertainty. You got fucking the US going into Venezuela and taking all their oil and gold reserves and shit. And then now we're trying to go and take Greenland. And then you got the EU. You got the EU sending countries over there to defend it. But all of these EU countries gave all of their fucking weapons to fucking the Ukraine. And they don't have shit. I think we gave all of the Ukraine our fucking used weapons. The shit that we don't give a fuck about. Yeah, all this tariff shit now. Oh, thank you, Nick. I appreciate it, Sparta Nick. So you got all this shit going on. You got the fucking PM of Canada going to China and saying, "I bow to your new world order," and he said a new world order. That's how that fucking jerk off said it. Yeah, that's fucking Sparta Nick, Crank. Yeah. Fucking yeah, YouTube fucked everything up. You guys, if you ever wanted to, you can change your user ID. That's like your user ID. You could go into like your YouTube channel and change that shit in the settings somewhere. So you can make it like what your display name is. The only reason I know that's Sparta Nick is because when I didn't recognize him early on, after YouTube fucking changed everything and fucking showing all the user IDs instead of the display names, I click on everybody's channel. And I'm like, oh, that's who that is, Yeah, I think it's gonna go a little higher. But I mean, you know, it just fucking popped from what, 772. No way. Is it retesting this? And this fucking shit is holding here. I don't trust it though. NQ's about to break. It did. Will it keep breaking though? That's a new low right there. Doom Lord, what up? What's the white moving average on Tradeovate? Oh, there it goes. It dropped like 12 points off the low, you know, the previous low. It's the 34. So I don't even really pay attention to it, but anymore. The white one is the 34 SMA. The teal green one is the 34 EMA. And then the purple one is the 5-minute 25, which on the 1-minute chart is the 105. Yeah, Doom. It's been kind of like whatever. What the fuck? Really? So I had this fucking fib here, this low and this high, and we bounced off the 786 and went up here and then came all the way back down because of all this tariff bullshit. Now we broke through the golden shower pocket. Rancap, what up? Is it dumping? Fuck. You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. So that 786 held after all. I just missed it. I just fucking missed it. Look. We wicked over a little bit, came down, retested it, and fucking dropped how many ticks now? 736. 100 something ticks. Coach HIT said, "Yep, you have to click your name. You have to fix your user ID, your username to make it show how your display name showed. You got to go to your channel, click the icon for your name, click customize channel, then change it where it says handle. Nice. Yeah, you got Coach back. That's Coach HID to you guys." 3 mini short, Jesus. You got to be up fucking huge. You trying to pass an eval, or is it a funded account, Kevin? That's 3 minis of silver. You got this silver PTSD. Yeah, I don't fuck with silver. I'm good. I'm good on that. What did it bounce off of? Look at that. From the last low. Look at this low. Right off the 7. I don't know if it's going to keep going up, though. Right off of that shit. 786. You see, guys. Funded. Damn, bro. You got to be up big in that account right now. I don't even know, man. I'm fucking so tired. I don't even know if I'm going to trade. Oh, shit. Yeah, I don't know. It's getting a little funky. It's that time of night that it starts to act fucking crazy. See what happened here? You see, guys? Fine, I won't ask. But I was curious. I wanted to know. Can you send me a picture, Doom? Oh, it really fucking dropped. Well, not really. But look, it bounced all the way back up like it never happened. It's up. It bounced 30 points. Only for me. Hey, post it in the main chat. Oh, hey, listen. Hey, chat. If any of you guys are newer to the channel, you might not know about the best community on these prop firm streets, the DCA gang, the DGen fam Discord, the DGen Treehouse. Here's the link if you want to join it. It's free for now. What do I think about the Lucid Black? I don't know. I still like the Flex better. You know why they do shit like that, right? They got rid of the Pro because the Pro, I don't know, they were getting
order filled.
Oh shit, I got filled. Time to pay attention. Time to pay attention. Fuck. I didn't think it was going to come down that far, that fast. Just putting a stop in place so in case this shit fucking flashes down, I don't get fucking killed. One contract per account, but across 6 accounts. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay. Now I'm a professional. Now what up, Trader J? Now I'm a professional. Uh-oh. See, I was fucking worried about that. Do I want to add here? Oh, I'm green. Doesn't matter. For now, at least. No way. I can't do that. That's a violation of the scaling rule. I don't have enough in the account. I don't think I have enough in the account to do that unless I can when I'm over the buffer. I don't really know. I'm really just trying to get like $200 or $300, actually. I'm not trying to get, hold on, 08. Come back up here. Uh-oh, the VWAP's going to be a bitch. I'm not trying to get anything crazy in these accounts. I need 3 more days of $50 or more, and I need $502 total. I could do it over 5 days. That'll put me at like $1,300 each account. Uh-oh. Come on, push it. Push over the VWAP. What did I have here? I had 12 ticks, maybe 11 ticks at the top of this trade. Hey, Shaman, man, it's all hey, it happens. At least you're in profit. At least you didn't fuck it up, right? Rick, I gotta hide the balances too. Yeah, I gotta combine some of these guys with the Top Step guys. Uh-oh. Now I'm worried. Now I'm fucking worried. Fuck, man. Not these accounts. I don't want to fuck these accounts up. Like I said.
Order filled.
Fuck. This is a fucked up time. This is always a fucked up time. And I don't know why I'm trading this shit. Always a fucked up time. Whoops. I mean, I can make these, any of these could be the lows. I could expand this fucking fib right now to any of the, like this low or this low. I hope I don't have to worry about it. Let's see if it bounces and retests the fucking VWAP. I feel the fucking coming. I feel the fucking coming. You see that? I'm gonna get fucked. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Why does it have to be these accounts? Let's see. Let's see if it holds here. Come on, pop it. One time for the homies. Do it for the stream. Thanks, Doom. Eben R, what up? 9K, Kevin the car guy. Nice fucking job, bro. On an XFA. What day you want on that account? Trader guy. Am I really being that much of a degen right now, though? I feel like I'm being somewhat responsible. But this is there's a couple of things I don't like when trading gold. I don't like trading gold around this time of day, and I don't like trading gold when it's fucking parabolic. And look what just happened. It just dumped parabolically. You see what I'm saying? In either direction, I don't like it when it's parabolic. Come on, just fucking come up here. I'm gonna get fucking taken. I'm gonna get taken out. I'm gonna get bottom ticked. It's not. It just won't fucking go back up for me. Oh, maybe it will. Wow, that's a first. Come on, just fucking pop it now. Let's go. Do something cool. Come on, push it. Come on. Come on, Tommy, Billy. Ugh. Frustrating. I'm going to get stopped out. There it goes. Game over. What? Dude, this is annoying. Just fucking take me out. They're not 35% off anymore? You sure about that? What size account are you trying to get? I thought they were 35% off the 25s and 50s. Ah. Yes, now they're pushing the fucking the black accounts. This sucks. I'm gonna get stopped out. I don't know. Maybe it pushes through here. Maybe it pushes up now. It's establishing a base here. Let's all sing Kumbaya. Yeah, I think I might have to take this.
Order filled.
I don't have to take it. Oh yeah. I knew it all along. I knew it all along. I told you guys. I wasn't worried at all. Oh shit. What accounts? Oh, who knows? We'll never know what accounts they are. Just know that I have some PAs. I can't wait to post a screen. If I could get this all green, I'm gonna be like, I made $6,735 across all of my performance accounts. Oh shit. Psychic Trader, what up? The only reason why I added in, I'll tell you why I added in, Trader Guy. You know how I wait? I wait for the 707 and the 786. So when I had, where was this shit? So here's the 707. I had the order a little bit before that in case that's all it was going to go down to before it bounced. And then I had another order at the 786 just above it. Look at that shit. So if it that's why I could get filled twice. And that's what happens. Because I've noticed a lot of times what happens is I only do it when it's close together. Look how many ticks there are. 705s. Because I trade with minis. If you trade with micros, you could get the larger time frame gaps between the 707 and the 786, like get filled in that like range, in like a zone. I got my broker statement. I'm up $60,000 in my Apex evaluations for my Ferrari. I did it all from my third Ferrari. Oh, Lisa, I plan on it. That's like the next regular video I plan on doing. It's so fluid, though. It's so fluid. That shit I could have got stopped out. It came right to my fucking stop. I can't do it loud because my wife's in the fucking bedroom next to me. And my daughter probably has work at like 3 a.m. And she's on this side of the wall. This thing works to drown out the noise coming from me, but it doesn't fucking completely eliminate it. So I'm like, I still hear you. You know? So I can't do my full laugh. Oh man. I'm the best trader in the world. Warren G. Buffett follows me into my trades. He's my I'm like his trading advisor. That's all I wanted for today. I got more than I needed to get for today, but I'll take it. Maybe I could take these to max payout land. How much more do I need from max payout land? This is day 4. I'm on day 4 since getting my second payout across these 6 accounts. D's. these 6 right here. These all 520 to 525 had 2 payouts. I'm working on payout number 3. I'm at 33.15. And I need 4 more trading days, and I need 2 more days of $50 or more now. But I need to get, what was the biggest day? Hold on. Oh, hold on. I got to log in. I want to see. I want to see chat. Take notes. Come watch me trade. I'll show you how it's done. All the best. I won't show you my account balance, but I'll show you how it's done. Guess who said that to me? When I just said, hey, stop being a cuck and show us your account balance on Twitter. Oh, my God. It's too easy. I'm not asking for much. Is it really too much to ask for to know what your fucking balance is on your live account or what your account number, what account number you're up to with your PAs? It's like, Jesus, fuck. Like, come on. What the fuck are we doing here? Fucking kidding me right now? You guys should be fucking asking these guys, anyway, especially people who trade with Apex. Anyone who fucking trades with Apex and is like, hey, use my code, all that shit, use my coupon code and all that, which is fine because I do it too. It's like, is it too much to ask to get a little bit of fucking transparency? Ask them, how many accounts have you gone? What are you up to? What account number are you up to? What's your P&L overall? It's, I get it. We're all on a journey. And like when I was fucking way in the red with my Apex P&L, like, but I was on a journey and I owned it. I owned it the whole fucking time. I hadn't fucking hide anything. Ask them. Let's see if they show you. You know who I'm talking about. There's a bunch of them. All right. It's not that serious, right? If it's not that big of a deal, just fucking show it. All right. So these accounts, 520. So they had this day, 433.92. 434, let's just say, divided by 0.3. I have to grow the account to $1,446 minimum in terms of a balance to be able to request. As like obviously I need more days and shit too, but because of this day, that's my biggest day. It can't be more than 30% of your total profit, and it resets between payouts. So that's the magic number, 1446. Where are these accounts at right now? 315. So I literally need $131. So I'm just gonna keep growing the accounts. How much do I need to get to fucking max payout land? 700 and it's not that far. $785. I just did 372. How hard can it be? How hard can it be, chat? How hard can it be? Don't mind me. I'm just having fun on my channel. Is this a retest here, or are we gonna drop lower? Now these accounts right here, 538 through 543. Well, 538, I'm still fucking pending. This is still pending. 539 to 543 though, they got paid, and so far I've gotten no. Hold on, I gotta fucking hide. All right. So I got paid this here, and then I did 402. Did I only do one day? Yeah, I mean that makes sense. I did 402. That's my biggest day. I got a lot of work. I got a ways to go with these. Hold on. I mean, these got approved on what? The 15th? Yeah, so I only got one day of trading. I got a flip day in, and then I traded. So I got a lot of work to do with those. Oh, these, you know what happened to these also? The day I tried to just get a quick flip day, I ended up losing like $470 or 430, something like that. And I got 402 of it back on Friday. So I'm I was a little bit behind the 8 ball with those. That's what happened with those. And then these are halfway through. 51, 2, and 3 are halfway through. And I'm like halfway to the buffer. I'm okay with just getting to the buffer and then the next time through going for a bigger payout. I'm cool with that too. I don't care. I'm down for whatever. It really just depends on how the accounts grow. Like Axel Foley. Oh, shit. Lee, what's up? He's making fun of Sparta Nick. Hey, Sparta Nick, you changed your username. He's only joking around. And Lee, people should care about guru, not me. I'm not a fucking guru, but these guys that fucking they're like anointed, they anoint them, they're self-anointed coaches, or they're anointed by the company that they're on the payroll of, or they call themselves professional trader in their fucking description, or they call themselves the best day trader on YouTube, or you know, they flash these big numbers in their record statement, but they hide their prop firm account numbers, especially with Apex. What's the problem? They're embarrassed to see for people to see how many fucking PAs they're up to. Yeah, no, Lee. Yeah, he ain't. Yeah, Nick is just fucking around. But like, I think it's important. If we're all like, you know, they're trying to preach transparency and they say that you know, everything they're doing is legit and real. Why can't you show your fucking account number? Yeah, professional account hiders, exactly. Crank. It's for our protection. Imagine being a fucking on Top Step TV and you're a coach and you're not allowed to show your account balance. The only thing I can think of is that it's a compliance thing because none of them show them. None of them show their balance. Yeah, Rick. Yeah, with Apex. What's up, Adam? Yeah, I got on late. I don't know how much longer I can hang out. Although I think I'll be okay for a little while. Bro, I haven't heard Axel Foley. Ain't gonna stick your banana in the tailpipe. That fucking movie was I love those movies, man. I'm telling you, that fucking stretch of time, those movies were fucking amazing. Beverly Hills Cop, Lethal Weapon, like all those fucking movies. They don't make shit like that no more. Now they can't come up with a good fucking idea for a new movie so bad. It's so bad now they just do remakes of old movies. They always got to fucking weave in some fucking woke bullshit. Yeah, Liam, always in the main chat. I don't really post anywhere else. You know, there's like a P&L section and all that shit. And a lot of people post in there, but I just post in the main chat. I don't give a fuck. That's where most people hang out, in the main chat. We're not falling for the banana in the tailpipe. Fucking great. Oh my god, Eddie Murphy, man, what a legend. By the way, if you got anybody who's not in the Discord yet, here's the link. It's free for now. Diplomatic immunity, man. So many fucking classic lines too. And that fucking girl, the girl, remember he was hitting it, he was getting with the girl and the African chick, like the secretary. He was hitting that shit in his little trailer, and then all the helicopters rolled up on them and started shooting his trailer. That girl was hot. PJ, yep. Handsome Dan. Beverly Hills Ninja. All right, so is it going to retest here or is it going to go lower? Well, let me get the fuck out of these accounts. How about that? It would have been so much easier to just ride this down, right? How many ticks are we down from here? 838. Bro, from here down to here was a 150 tick drop. Is it retesting here? Is it going to go back up? Or is it going to go lower? It's either going to go back up or it's going to go, in this area before it bounces again. That's how do you like that peak analysis right there? Five great movies all year. You're lucky if you get a good movie every couple of years. Yeah, Carbonite, like no joke. And then like all like all the like the first bunch of like Adam Sandler movies, like Billy Madison, classic. Happy Gilmore, classic. So much good movie. There's like it just like all of a sudden it just went to shit. Oh man, London's about to open. I don't know. Scared. I'm happy about these accounts though. These were like high priority for me. Oh, I did this too. Am I still in there? I got my flip day on the fucking loan. I had a 50K that was halfway up. Actually, I had that shit pass and I got fucking if I wasn't just such a pussy on fucking Friday, but this one's over the mark. I'm 3 days in. I need 2 more days. See what I could do with this, and then we'll look to get more. And then obviously I grew this. These are these are OG 90% off, $16.70. Although I fucking would rather not be trading these and rather not trade in well charts, but they had, there's nothing I can do about it. So what I'm going to do now is put a group together. Leader. And the followers. Even this right here. Look at this. It's hard to tell here, but like, hold on. Uh-oh. Never mind. Trader guide. No, it's hard to tell. They don't give you like the account numbers don't add, they don't go up in the subsequent, they don't count up like Apex or Lucid. But I'm telling you, I mean, I know I have a ballpark of how many payouts I got, and I have a ballpark of how much money I spent. See, it did make a new low. The door's closed. Oh yeah, that's right. Drifter. Oh yeah. Well, when doesn't it? When doesn't it fuck the market? So let me get out of here. Premature fibrillation is the name of that group. 5 accounts. Oh, you fucker. Smash the like button, chat. I'm just waiting. The trader guy, they're not really randomized. They go up in order, but they go up in order with, whoever's getting a new account. So if you get a new account right before I do, you're going to have a lower number than me. It just doesn't, it's not individual. It's not, it's not limited to just your account. That's what makes it tough. Yeah, P. I know, bro. It's hard to say no to $16.70. And then, if you do the math, like that's $16.70, and then I could still do the $65 until when? Thursday? Let's check on my fucking Zcash trade. Ooh. Oh, shit. This is real money, yo. Oh, I hit 373. Oh. How much would I have had at 373.67? Let's say 373 even. Oh, I would have gotten the 355 back that I lost on the other trade. Fuck. You know what I want to do? I want to move my stop up. $366. 367. 367 will get me 154. All right, cool. Locking in $154 to make them holla. Let's see if it fucking goes up another leg. Let's see if it goes up a third leg. Sorry, chat. Trading a little crypto here. Oh, look at that fucking bounce. Fuck, man. I would have loved to get filled. Elmi, what up? That's not even that bad, bro. That's not even that bad. Eric J, what's up, man? You followed me? You clinched the payout, bro, because you followed me? Well, I'm happy that happened. But what if you followed me and I lost? You know what I mean? I'm happy that it worked out. And good shit, bro. What is that? What is that? A Top Step account? How am I gonna see this dog if it's fucking pitch black in here? Oh, it sucks, bro. Leon, bro, I've had the same type of shit happen to me. Like, got to help my wife with a dog, or one of my kids needs me for something, and I fucking get up and I come back and I'm like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Yo, Elmi, just don't. You're on Tradeovate Top Step. Oh, you're not trading on Tradeovate shit until you can lock yourself out. Did you lock yourself out of this account? Twan on. I'm not going to tilt, I swear. Me neither. Me neither. Let's not tilt together. Shit's kind of moving real slow, though. This is moving. You could tell there's no volume because it's barely fucking moving. Uh-oh. Old man Rivers is coming to go out. He's coming for me. Look. Can you see him? Can you see him? You gotta fucking let this guy out. This is exactly what we were talking about, Leon. Come on, let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go. It's fucking pitch black down here, chat. If I don't let him out, he will shit on the fucking floor. And it's not logs. I'll tell you that much.
The most high maintenance fucking dog ever. What a... Just waiting for something to happen here. I guess it's holding this level. You know where I fucked up? Here's where I fucked up. Look, I had the low. If I would have just based my next fucking play on this low and not this lower low, like I should have just based it on the next lower low, which was here. Look where it bounced, based on this low, right off the 707, based on that low. I had my fib based on the next low, the lower low, and look, it might get down there though. Fuck. I'm okay. I mean, we'll see what happens. Especially now with London opening and shit.
Order filled.
See? Uh-oh. Good thing I mean, it did bounce, let's see, 681 to what? 716, 35 ticks. Just feel like the VWAP is going to be a problem. And I can't see what you guys are saying right now because I'm wishful thinking. I'm going to run into the same fucking problem. We got new hour fuckery here, and it's London. I think this guy wants to eat. Fuck me. Leon, I'm literally on the same boat as you right now. Oh shit, get the fuck up there, bro. Get the fuck. Keep going, get up there. Hit my take profit, motherfucker. Time to start trailing. Time to start trailing. This will lock in $300. Keep pushing though.
Stop filled.
It fucking knew. It fucking let go as soon as I let go, it fucking hit it. Where was my take profit? Right around here. Is it gonna go higher? I got taken out of 702. 717 is my take profit. that I had to cancel because I got taken out. There, it's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit it. It's fine though.
Is this fresh water?
That's yeah. You're drinking out of my. You're drinking out. You look like you have some glossy lip gloss on you.
I want Aquaphor.
Huh?
I want Aquaphor.
Oh, it's Aquaphor.
Yeah.
Oh, you getting Aquaphor all over my glass?
Your lips need it.
Okay. You going to sleep? It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit my take profit. We all know it. You see, guys. You see how I kind of have an idea where this shit wants to go based on me just drawing some fibs. And I just wait. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I won't get filled. Sometimes I miss it. Oh, there it is. Did it hit it? 16. Give it a chance. This is it right here. Whatever. It's fine. Just hit it. There it is. I fucking knew it. I told you guys. I told you. But I don't know. It could have also flashed down. It could have flashed down and I could have been, pissed. But I get annoyed about this because all I had to do was hold. It was literally the next. It was one more candle. Look. It was this candle went a little bit down and then it fucking popped. And this is something that I'm working on. This is like the next level for me is being able to fucking hold these trades longer. Because look, I knew it was going to go up more and I still got shaken out. I pussied out. No. That's the shit I'm talking about. It drives me fucking crazy because look how much more it went up. But I'm done trading these for the day. No point in forcing these. I mean, how much more did I need anyway? You see, guys? Now I just got to trade these three. 3 fibs walk into a bar. And sorry, I'm not looking at the chat. I can't right now. I'm like down here babysitting this fucking dog. The old man. So now we just wait. Let's see if it comes up here. So these accounts I still got to grow. I mean, I only got 2 $50 days in so far. I got 2 $50 days in and a flip day, which was a pretty big L day, but I got all of that back now. I'm green. Like I withdrew, you see these accounts? I withdrew 539 to 543. I withdrew down to the buffer. I requested down, not to the buffer, but I requested down to 2100. So now I'm over that again. I'm back, moving in the right direction. I got most of it back on Friday, and then I got all of it back today. I don't know if he wants to fucking eat. So now we're just going to wait for these 3. We're going to wait for these 3 and see what happens. Sorry, chat. I gotta get this guy chicken and chickpeas. He's waiting to be fed. I'm just living the dream over here. Just living the dream. This fucking guy right here. The most high maintenance fucking dog ever. I'll save this in case I need to feed you again later, motherfucker. And I'm just waiting. I'm waiting up here. I'm waiting to get filled around here. This is the low and the last high. Now, I might have this in the wrong spot. Maybe I should base it on this being the high. Did I? I think I did. Yeah, I do have it at that spot. And we just fucking wait. We just wait. Because I'm trading in Apex accounts, also, like, I don't need to run these fuckers up that much. Especially between payouts. Because then I just make my life more difficult. We just sit and wait. I'll just fucking give him more. Here it comes. It's gonna come. So here we go. Nice fucking move, right? How many ticks are we up? Over 100 ticks. Fucking living the fucking dream over here. Here we go. I think I'm gonna get filled. Am I gonna miss getting filled by a tick or two? Oh my God, are you fucking serious? Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Look how close it came to filling me. Five ticks. And it dropped how many fucking ticks? It just dropped 20. Oh my God. You fucking kidding me? Couldn't it go up 5 more ticks for me? Now I gotta give him his cookies, his little treats. Can't forget that. Uh-oh. Maybe I'm gonna get filled now. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm about to get filled. What?
Order filled.
I'm scared. What a fucking pop. What a fucking pop. Sorry, chat. Come on, dump it. You guys still here? It wasn't my wife walking in on me taking profits. My dog walked in on me. But dog's a fucking cuck blocker. Wow, Jay. Yeah. I still have the other 3. They all eat fucking none of them eat kibble anymore. Other than like the cookies, the treats. Yeah, profit blocker. All right. Is this time? Does it want to go? How much lower does it want to go? I don't fucking know. The VWAP. So I would love to get 600 for these accounts. I would love to get. Oh shit! I don't want that. We all know I'm not gonna fucking hold this long, guys. We all fucking know it. This might be an area for a bounce right here. You see, guys, the fucking fibs, man. And obviously they're not always going to be this fucking good, but it doesn't always play out. I got hit 3 times in a row, basically. Come on, go lower. It fucking knows. It knows I'm going to let go. It knows. What did I have here? I had almost $300 right there. Oh, get the fuck down there. Yeah, fucking dump it. Go more, granny.
Oh my God. How do I not fucking lock this in? There we go. Go lower. I'm gonna get taken out here, but I don't care. That's almost $400 per account. I hope it goes lower though. Please, Granny, go lower. I went down a tick.
Stop filled.
Man. Here it goes. It's gonna go lower. It's gonna go lower. But I'm just being responsible. You know what it is with me? My biggest thing is like I'm always want to just keep my drawdown as fucking high as possible. I don't like losing drawdown anymore. I'm very fucking stingy with my drawdown. There it goes. It always fucking does. Look, this is the thing I'm still working on. Can I just fucking hold the trade? This is gonna come all the way down to my take profit, which was like right here. 717. We'll see. 717. Remember that number. Wasn't that my take profit on the way up on the first group of trades? But now look at my account. Look at my Apex accounts. All of the PAs that I could trade are fucking in good shape. They're all up $300 or more. Look. Oh my God. Here, like this, like how many fucking ticks? 46. It just went down another fucking 9 ticks, 11 ticks. It's gonna go lower. It's going lower. What's my reason for not trading all of them together, Olisa? Because if I just get caught in a fucking awful sequence of trades, what did I get at? 46, 35, 32, 14 ticks. If I get caught in an awful sequence of trades and I'm copy trading all of the accounts together, they could blow fucking fast. You know what I mean? They could be gone, and you know what I mean? I've done it before. Can't win a fucking trade. The fibs aren't cooperating because it's fucking going parabolic. You know what I mean? Like you've done it too, right? We've all done it. We've blown accounts fucking fast, and we're like, what the fuck just happened? And our account's gone. So that's why I don't trade them all together. I trade them as I get them. So if I fucking pass 3 evals in a day and I'm going to activate them together. I'll just trade them together. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Carbonite, that's the biggest issue. That's the biggest issue. Especially when you're building up to the buffer with Apex. I mean, I could trade with a lot less drawdown comfortably. I just don't want to. Look at all this like these accounts already got payouts. These accounts are the ones I just traded. Look, 2,500 is the max amount of drawdown I could get until I get over the buffer. Like I have almost all of it still. It's great. Oh, look at, you know what I mean? It's great having almost all that drawdown. This account I can't trade. I'm still waiting. I would love for them to just deny it or approve it. I requested this one with these 5, but this one didn't get approved. And I know why. I'm just waiting for them to decide what they want to do with me. Maybe they'll just say, it's fucking Jay. He's Warren G. Buffett fucking, I'm Warren G. Buffett's favorite fucking trader. So maybe he'll maybe they'll let it through. But it was an unfortunate fucking Tradeovate fucking mishap, and then a human error right after that happened. But I'm done with Apex. Look, I mean, these are evals. Oh my God, look at this shit go. Here's my take profit. Remember what my take profit was? 17. This shit just went down to 28. It just went down 18 ticks. 18 ticks. Oh my God. Do you know what though? Oh. Hey, listen. I would have trailed. Like that shit went down 46. 3 ticks for my take profit. I would have trailed it tight, obviously, if I could hold this trade here. It went down 20. I could have had another $260. Oh, it's gonna hit it. Warren G. Buffett. I told him we're gonna have to regulate the prop firm streets. Oh man, I would have been pissed there if I was still in this trade and I tried to hang all the way down there. 3 ticks for my take profit. It bounced right off the VWAP. But listen, like my take profit didn't get hit. It got really fucking close. I got out of the trade way before that anyway, and I just, it just tells me that I'm at least seeing this shit good. I'm seeing this shit pretty fucking good. I mean, I'm fucking green everywhere. The only fuck up, well, I'm green everywhere in Apex. This is the only fuck up on my night, and it cost me 2 fucking funded accounts that I already blew, but I got back because Lucid restored accounts because of some outage with TradeAbate that I didn't even know about. So it was a gift anyway. I blew them fair and square. The outage wasn't the reason I blew these the first time. But these are on day 2. This one's on day 3, this test account. I got these 5 evals right here. We just bounced how many ticks? Nice little bounce. Look at where the VWAP is. It's not in the right fucking place. This is not the right place. I don't even know why I have the VWAP on wealth charts when it's never in the right fucking place. The VWAP is right down here. Shit fucking annoys me, man. But you see, guys. Hold on, let me be like all the professionals, the professional trader. Yo, Canute, what up, man? I didn't see you. I hope you're still here, bro. I traded all of these accounts for the stream. I'm going to post a screenshot in Apex. I'm going to post it on Twitter and be like, see, you don't have to be a professional trader to hide your account numbers. Oh, I still have this order up here? Fuck that. I got $376 on that though. That's a good fucking trade. It's the best fucking, those are the best ones. Hey, put a W in the chat if you guys are still here, chat. All right, be good, Coach HID. You're probably gone by now. Oh, you guys are still here. Tony Gold, Robert Gauss. Yeah, hell yeah. Put it on a nice little Fibonacci fucking clinic tonight, right? Not bad. Well, hey, let's do the math. Can I like, no, I can't do it that way. All right, so we got 376.46 times 3. 1129.38. All right, we got to remember that. Plus, this is me trolling. 372, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 372.92 times 6. 2237.52. plus 306.46 times 5. $1532.30. $48.99. $4,899.20 we made on the stream. I can't fucking wait. I can't fucking wait. Can't wait to have burner accounts fucking arguing with me. Can't wait to argue with a bunch of burner accounts. I'm such a dick. I love it. Hey. Oh, where's my calculator? I'm trying to think of how much of a dick I'm gonna be. I'm such a dick. I'm such a dick. I love it. Fuck, I gotta do it again. Handsome Dan. Yeah, man. Dude, it's all I fucking look for. It's all I care about. I always liked the fibs and I would look for them, but not like once I realized it just happens all day like this in the smaller time frames, I was like, game on. You know I'm making fun of somebody, right? When I do this, I'm making fun of somebody. I know, Shaman. I know. How do my PA numbers like the professionals? Like the professionals. Oh man, I'm such a dick. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Monica. You know why, Monica? Because I asked them I made a simple request. I was like, hey, can you show your account? What account numbers are you up to with your PAs? You know, because he was bragging. He made a brag post about how much money he made in his fucking PAs, but no one knows what day he's on, and no one knows what account numbers they are. So I asked him. It's like, what account number are you up to? And he blocked me. You like the calc? You like that? It's a nice touch. Oh God. Evan R. Yeah. Yo, Calvin, what up, man? Coach Calvin. I can tell you one thing though, that fucking 9,200 impressions this views this fucking thing got. If you, hey, you guys are missing out if you don't follow me on Twitter. Here, let me fucking post my I have some fun on there. Here's my Twitter account. Follow me. X Twitter. It's always going to be Twitter to me. This was the post. 9,200 fucking. That's my most. That's like this shit went fucking viral. You did, Calvin? Good, man. Fuck yeah. And this was me asking fucking the chosen one. Like, so good you have to hide your balance. Look, he hides the fucking balance on Twitter. I love how you don't let education get in the way of your opinions. I was like, good one. How about you just stop being a cuck and show your balance for once? Fucking jerk off. Look at my Burka statement. You can tune in when I'm on air, maybe learn a thing or two. Help you get out of the sim world and into the big leagues. Shut the fuck up. I'll just fucking bank in the fucking sim world. I'm in the big leagues already. I already have a real account. Don't worry. I have plenty of real accounts. Here's a real fucking account. Dumb fuck. Anyway. What did you do? Simic funded the big leagues where we hide our balances and our account numbers, but we post a picture of our broker statement. Shut the fuck up. Chef Chris. Yep. They blocked me because I asked Dakota to show his balance on his live account because he never does. And Rips blocked me because I asked him what account numbers his PAs were up to. That's it. Not even a response. At least Dakota engaged with me. Rips didn't even engage with me. But then he started engaging with me on my post with a burner account because he's a fucking jerk off, douchebag, tech dude. Yeah. So when he blows the account and his daddy Paytech gives him a new one, no one will know. Yep. I know, bro. I know how that shit goes. He's a company man. He's on the payroll. Tell me this isn't a burner account. You should ask him. This guy, You're just rage baiting anyway. The dude made 3 million trading live last year. If you didn't catch any of his streams, they were all on Kick to watch for free. Tell me that's not. I'm going to show you though, but tell me that doesn't sound like it's him fucking saying that. What you want to see proves nothing. Me saying show your account numbers. I don't care about what he did last year, fucking trading with money. And you think I'm rips? Also, he does giveaways on streams where you got to comment and repost on his post. Watch this guy. Every single post this fucking guy is of rips. Rips. That's an ad. Rips. This the only guy this guy follows? Get the fuck out of here. I'm literally talking to this guy using a burner account. He blocks me, but then he uses a fucking burner account. Get the fuck out of here. What a I'm fucking real. This is real life. One follower. Follows 14, has one follower. You guys should fucking go on a stream and be like, yo, what up? What up, Flip Mode? Nice burner account. You guys should all ask him what number. Yo, what up, Olivier? Ask him what number his PAs are up to. Ask him what number his PAs are up to. You like this shit? Hold on. What's going on in the market? Gold's coming back down. Oh, here it is. Look, it just hit my take profit. It came the take profit I had before. It came all the way back up here and then dropped. Gold will do that shit, but whatever. We got what we came for. Another day in the books for these Apex accounts. Still waiting on whatever's going to happen with this one. But every funded Apex account I had to trade, I was able to trade. I traded and I'm green on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of the 15 in Tradeovate. And then this one I traded before I got on. They're literally all the same amount. They're all in the 300s. 392 on this one. These I'm going to see if I could pass. Shit, if I fucking pass these, I'll be back to 20. Not that I really want to have them all in fucking well charts, though. But whatever. It's not bad when you like. It's almost impossible to trade like on this view. You got to go on the full. You got to use the full chart view. It's the only way to trade on here for it to be somewhat decent. Where does this have the view up? 741. Yeah, it's not even fucking close. Why even bother having the fucking VWAP on here? I don't even know how to get rid of it. Oh. What I could do is just hide it all. There we go. Now there's no VWAP on here anymore. Jesus. That's a little sensitive too. Look how sensitive this is. You want to see me do it in Tradeovate? Here's me doing it in Tradeovate. Not sensitive. This, yo, wealth charts fucking zoom, chart zoom is as sensitive as Rips is. Nah, 20 total. 20 total. So like K9, what up? I don't really mess with him. I don't even pay attention to him. Shaman, I don't know, man. Like, I just like, obviously I do the affiliate thing. I tell people use the best code 0DayJ to grab accounts at Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, Bullinox, and Lucid. Right? Use my code because it's the fucking best. But I didn't want to just be. I didn't want to just be that and just shitty at trading. I wanted to actually get good at trading, so people maybe want to support me more. You know, more people want to watch me trade because I've gotten good. It's weird because less people watch me. I'm getting so good that the better I get, the less people watch me. But like, you know, I just didn't want to be one of the guys that like is 3 or 4 years in and I'm still like not getting payouts or barely getting payouts, or, you know, I'm not growing as a trader. That's because all of these prop firms could go away, but the skills that we develop trading with them, we could take into trading on a personal account. We have to get better. I just didn't want to be like that because there are some guys out there that they barely get fucking payouts. They barely get payouts, man. And they just stream every single day and they're like, please use my code. You know, at some point you got to get better. You got to get better. But Leon, and that's all I ever wanted was to get like, you know, because, you know, I took it personal when people said, oh, you're only doing this for the affiliate commissions. I'm like, whatever. That's what you want to think. I mean, I'm actually trying to get better here. But, and now what? Now look, what are they going to say now? What? No one could say shit to me about anything. Can't tell me that I'm net negative because that's not the truth anymore because I'm net positive. Can't tell me that I'm still net negative with Apex because I'm positive with Apex. You know, I did 60 grand in fucking 6 weeks in payouts. I mean, fuck. Since fucking October 16th, literally 14,088 plus 11,992 plus 34,405. And 26,635. I literally have done $87,000 from in a 3-month stretch in payouts from October 16th to January 16th, or really January 15th, because I got approved. I requested on the 14th. They got approved on this last batch on the 15th. And this batch of payouts is what pushed me over with Apex to have to be green with Apex to pay off all my Apex tuition. Stevie J, yep. You know, just, I don't know if you're putting yourself out there, you're fucking calling yourself a fucking coach, or you're an analyst on a prop firm's fucking, you know, all day long live stream and you don't get fucking payouts. What kind of example are you setting? You're fooling like, and then people follow you into your fucking shit trades, or you're hedging behind the scenes. Let's not act like that shit doesn't go on. Like you saw me trade. This is how I trade. This is how I trade all fucking day when I'm trading. Whenever I'm trading, that's what I do. I wait. And obviously, this is not the only way to trade, right? But this is, you know, I don't do anything differently when I'm off stream. Yeah, the weird thing about Matt, though, Trades by Matt, he was like working those Apex accounts to like, I remember that. It was like in 2024, trying to get 80 grand a month. And all of a sudden, like, he did it once, or he did 40 grand, and then all of a sudden, like, he blew all of his accounts, and like all of a sudden now he doesn't get any, like, he doesn't even show his accounts, his PAs or whatever. I don't even know what the fuck he's doing. Stevie J, but you know, bro, once you figure out how the market's fucking moving around, you'll be fine because you had a 6-figure year last year. Just don't put too much pressure on yourself, man. Just know that you have the skills to pay the bills. You know what I mean? He's unprofitable overall. What about trading with John Matt? Yeah, you know, Isaac, was it? Someone was having the same. I think it was Isaac. He was like fucking worried because like he was having like 5-figure months, you know, like 3 or 4 months in a row, and then in like the first like week and a half, he didn't even have a single payout this year, you know, this year so far. And I'm like, bro, you know, you'll be fine, man. You're just getting closer, you know. And then all of a sudden, he fucking racked up like $9,000 in payouts, and like this week that just passed. He makes money. He makes money when you fucking use his code, and so do I. But I don't know. I want it to just be more than that. That's all I ever wanted. That's like when I set out to do this, I wanted to be more than that. That's all. Martin, yeah. Well, you know what? Even if he's profitable, you know, they put out something. Apex put something out. They basically said like, you know, they basically said that affiliates that generate revenue for them won't get banned ever, it seems. Because they take, you know, it's not just how much it's not, you know, because what happens like with like Martin became like a liability. So they said, we don't want to keep losing money on this guy and him and a bunch of other people. But someone like me, the overall number, they're still ahead. So I don't know. We'll see. I guess we'll see. I feel like I got a fucking hair on my tongue. I feel it. I get it? I did get it. Fucking dog hair or some shit. Yeah, exactly. So if anyone ever had something to say about that to me and say, oh, this is the only reason, like, you know, like people have said shit like that about me in the past and to me, I'm like, doesn't that make me smart? I'm not saying anybody else isn't, but doesn't it make me smart? You know? Or I've had people in my Discord and on the stream like say, oh, the only reason blah, blah, blah is because you get affiliate money. And I'm like, okay, well, doesn't that make me smart? But whatever. It doesn't take away from the fact that I've grown and gotten better as a trader. Me being an affiliate of Apex has nothing to do with me fucking growing these fucking accounts and working these 20 to 25 to their third payout. And fucking 39 to 43 to their second potentially. Oh yeah, Martin. Yeah, of course, man. Of course, man. And and obviously it sucks. But the best part about the world we're in with all this prop firm shit is there's so many different places you can trade with. But if you notice, like, they all clamp down. I don't care who they are. They all fucking clamp down. Even Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader, and I think Take Profit Trader is like the best one out of all of them. Lately, a bunch of people are fucking, the same shit's happening with a bunch of people, myself included. They're getting dinged. They're getting dinged for fucking hedging, but they're not hedging. They're using copy traders, and the fucking, even if it's for a fucking split second where they're in long in one and short in another because of how the fill happens, and it's the copy trader fucking up. Even on Tradeovate, even with the group trading on Tradeovate, whatever software they started using, or however they coded whatever they're fucking used to flag it, people are wrongfully getting their accounts fucking shut down over it. So they all have their fucking issues. Every single one of them. And they probably program this shit so they could pay less people. You don't think, like the whole fucking thing, the leak and how John was talking about, the guy who fucking sued Apex, who used to be their like programmer or some shit, starts his own prop firm and then uses the lawsuit and like all this leaked information as the jump off for his prop firm. First of all, a lot of that shit, yeah, whatever he said, some of it was fucked up. They all have the same conversation behind closed doors. Just somehow this got leaked. They all talk about the same shit. They all do. Look what happened with Funding Ticks. They fucking used a fucking fake IP fucking address breach as a reason to fucking, terminate a bunch of people's trading funded accounts. And then I'm hearing that Funded Next did the same thing. And then now what? Funding Ticks is out of business. What are the chances? I need to clear some of these out. Look at that 707 rejection. What a fucking nice fucking move. I mean, from the 707, right? We wicked up a couple of ticks over it. 790 down to fucking almost 100 ticks. Yup. What up, Newts? Yeah, they're fucking gone, bro. We knew it was coming. We all knew it was coming. Anyone who didn't is fucking, I mean, if you kept giving them money, then that's your fault. They said they're going to pay everybody who they owe money to. And if you have a balance, they're going to give you the money. They're going to refund your account, blah, blah, blah. We'll see. Yo, Newts. Yeah, but you don't think people are fucking pissed that you recommended them? Maybe not everyone, but I don't know, man. You do that shit enough times, bro, and it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt you. Luce is the only newer firm I fucked with. Here's a 707 again. Amazing. Fast Track is worse because people, not only do people get rug pulled, but now they're getting clawed. Anyone who got any money. So like, people got rug pulled by fucking Scott. Some of them got payouts and then they got rug pulled. So the people that got paid out, they got a payout, right? And they continue trading with the firm because they're like, oh, wow, they pay. They're paying, right? Kellyanne told me to use them and they pay. But now I just got rug pulled. So if you got the one payout, but you got fucked on the other one, they're still clawing you back on the other payout you got. He's rug pulling everybody twice. An apex killer, right, Newts? And they were calling it the apex killer. Now it's illegal. Now the SEC says it's illegal to pay sim funded traders. No, don't. Hey, P, bro. P, man, just wait for your signing bonus. Wait for your signing bonus from Prop Shop. Silver's dumping. It's still, the way I look at Silver, and I think this is great. Whoever took this short and you caught this move, God bless you. Great job. All I look at Silver and say, it's still $92.61 an ounce. You know what I mean? because in fucking November it was $47. It literally doubled in fucking 2 months. And in fucking April, it was $30. It tripled since April. Tripled. And people are fucking panicking. You know why? How I know this? People are panic buying the fuck out of shit from me. Shit that's been sitting forever. But they're buying anything they could get as close to spot as possible. It's a crazy fucking time we're living in right now. That's a nice little dump, though. I mean, gold's moving down with it. See, look, it finally broke this fib level, but I got to draw. Now I got to fucking. We're retesting this over here. This is where I got filled on the last long I took. No, that was on no, this was where I got filled. What did I get filled? I don't fucking remember. But here's the low. Here's the high. We're at the 707. Will it bounce here? It's retesting this same level here. Will it bounce here? Will it go a little lower and bounce off the 786? What up, Zach? Any moves on NQ, it fucking dumped. And then it bounced. Holy shit, it bounced. Made new lows here, and then it popped 85 points or whatever. No payouts, we're gonna get a salary. Yeah, you guys are gonna get a signing bonus like you're a fucking baseball player. You're an NFL star. You guys get your signing bonus. What doesn't he promote? Nico. Yeah, I wonder if anyone's gonna give him shit about it. What doesn't he promote? Right? He's the biggest and the largest promoter of prop firms. Yeah, Newts, it's not bad. It just was a little slow developing. Let's see if this holder really wants to go low. I mean, after this low, the next low isn't until fucking we're going into fucking the next low is here. No. Well, yeah. Well, after that, it's like down here. We're talking almost 300 ticks, which is going to make the fucking fib fucking the bounce is going to be bigger if it bounces off a fib level, if it doesn't blow right through it. Yeah. So funding ticks is done. Tick trade is going to be done real soon. I mean, someone's waiting on a payout since December 15th. Someone in here I don't know if they're still here. If you're still here and you were taught, and that was you, confirm it again in the chat. Someone literally is like, I've been waiting on a payout from fucking Tick Trader since December 15th. You can't buy accounts at Tick Trader. RM, what up? What is up, RM? RM, if you fucking traded, please tell me you waited until after you got a decision on the payout. If you traded it before they approved or denied it, it's definitely going to get denied. If you traded it, I mean, if you requested, got approved, and then traded it and blew it, you're going to get paid. Martin, do I? He's not bad. I don't know. I don't watch him enough. I know he knows his shit, but he's a fucking degenerate. I don't know. He doesn't show his account numbers. Do you? Do you think he's good? Do you think I'm a good trader? And be honest. Oh yeah, Ram, you're gonna get paid. Once you get approved, it doesn't matter what you do to that account after. You're gonna get your money. Yeah, you're good, bro. RM. Like I said, Ram. You're good, bro. It's if you were still pending or under review when you traded it and you fucking blew it, then you'd be shit out of luck. Yeah, good shit, man. Way to get paid. It happens. I mean, look at how many blown fucking look at all the blown accounts I have after getting paid. Oh, you think oh shit, you think I'm as good as the biggest and the largest? He's been doing this shit a lot more than me, a lot longer than me. But whatever. I'll take that as a compliment. He's got a course. He's got a course out. I've just seen, man, the last time I watched, he literally got in short. I forgot what he did. Whichever way he went, as soon as he got in, it went the opposite way. And he was in heavy and he was quickly down like thousands. And of course, he panned off of that trade evade screen where you never know what the fuck he was trading to begin with. And then he was just looking at the charts because those accounts got fucking cooked. He was looking at other charts. That was the last time I saw him trade. I'm not saying he's bad because he gets payouts. But I don't know. I think he's always trying to make a big splash on payouts because it's better for the brand. You know what I mean? I don't fucking know. I'm just growing my fucking accounts. If this shit is fucking boring to people, then I don't give a fuck. Oh, look, the 707 fucking held. Nudes, you talking about what I just said? Because you could fucking picture it. You could just pick. Yeah, you could pick. You know exactly. You could just picture that. Like the visual I gave you is fucking spot on. Oh God. RM. So you take accounts to 4 payouts and then you blow them on the 5th. So what are you trying to do? You're trying to fucking like get to that crazy fucking level where like you're one of the people that we're all talking about getting fucking like $1 million payout and shit. Is that what you're trying to do? Because 4 payouts on accounts is really good. There's nothing wrong with that. I've never gotten a 4th payout on it. No, I have with Bullinox. I lied. That's the only time I've ever done it with Bullinox. Of all firms, I did it with Bullinox. I'm just making sure I don't have any open orders. I don't think I do, but just double checking because I don't want to fucking wake up to some bullshit. You know what I mean? I love me some Lucid Flex. Oh, yeah, I fucking love trading. Trading with prop firms is the shit. YGQ. Because it's fucking. I don't know if he'd be able to trade a personal account the way he trades his prop firm accounts. And I don't know if I would be able to trade a personal account the way I trade prop firm accounts. I don't know. Because like the biggest thing about the prop firms is like if you blow accounts, you're not losing all of that money in the account. You're losing however much it costs you for the account. And that's why prop firms are so fucking good. He blows all these evals and the funded accounts and shit. It doesn't cost him much. As opposed to if he lost that money in a personal account, he's getting fucking wrecked. That's why I don't have a fucking personal account. I'm not fucking with that shit. I don't know anybody who's live with Apex. You know why though, YGQ? Because he makes them a fuck ton of money. They're a fucking net positive on his efforts. That's why they let him trade Sim still, or let him trade it all still. I know a lot of people get mad about that, but that's just the way it is. They're positive. They're fucking, they're green on him. On his account, they're green. That's why he gets to keep trading with Apex accounts. After taking all those payouts, those fat payouts. I remember when he went on like a stretch where didn't he do like 600 grand in payouts like in December of 2024? Wasn't it? Right? It was like 500 or 600 grand. It was something stupid. He's not the only one, though. Yeah. Because you know why? Because that's what people want to see. If I was fucking YOLOing accounts right now, I'd have 200 people watching me. But because I was fucking trading and systematically growing accounts, no one gives a fuck about that. Some people do. Like you guys like watching me trade, right? Because you guys are hanging out. And we're hanging out too. We're not just, I'm not like, I don't even have anything to trade right now. I have to fucking get new trade day evals. I would like to get more fucking Take Proper Trader, test accounts, but fuck, I got the hiccups. But I think I want to see what I could do with this one. And then if I could take this, get this over the buffer, reinvest. Although like I'm green as fuck this month. I'm so green this month. I don't know why I'm fucking being timid about it, but I just don't want to get fucking carried away. Well, yeah, the personality and the connection. I guess nobody likes me anymore. Too much winning. Yeah, no, I appreciate it, Carbon. Yeah, I've definitely, that's like, that might be one of the best things I've done. I'm really good at fucking, I don't know. Yo, that's JTF. What's up, man? He's an OG. But like, yeah, like we're all just fucking hanging out. I don't know. I think people could just relate to me because I don't know. I'm not full of shit. I show my account numbers. Like, what a novel idea showing your fucking account numbers, especially if you trade with Apex. Look at that 707 hold right there. 707 retest. We're up 74 ticks. Bin trades. Well, thank you. I mean, I knew at some point I was going to fucking evolve as a trader. If I didn't, I mean, they say like if you're not growing, you're fucking dying or whatever. I don't know. I just needed to do it for myself. I needed to get better at trading for myself to shut a bunch of fucking loser haters the fuck up. And people that cared and people that aren't like haters that fucking, were imploring me to do shit like trade with micros and this, that, and the other thing. I'm like, no, I'm going to make it work the way I'm fucking the way I'm trading. What'd you take NQ short? Oh, what the fuck's going on with this over here? Uh-oh. Am I going to get fucking stopped out? Oh, I came close. Stopped out for a gain. I locked in $150 in gains on this trade. Leveraged the Zcash fucking crypto trade. But I was up as much as $360 or something like that when it wicked up here. What up, Thumper? See, like, you see all the trading I did with fucking, with gold and all the trading you guys are doing with the NQ. And I've been in this fucking Zcash trade for hours. For fucking hours. When did I get filled on this fucking thing? Yeah, I don't even fucking remember when I got on. Oh, here we go. I feel like I've been on for like 3 hours. Zcash for some easy cash. You ever see the guy who created Zcash? Oh, man. It just moves real nice on the fucking charts. I was actually in a long before and I got fucking smoked for a $355 loss because of that fucking dump at the open. But I don't know. What's gold doing here? Damn, son. Oh, look where we rejected. Is this going to hold here? Look at that. Crazy. Anyway, guys, I gotta fucking go. I'm getting tired. I've been tired. I put in some good work here. We did this for the stream. I traded all of these accounts for the stream. If you missed it, just rewind. Just rewind and you'll catch the trades. I gotta like see if I can fucking remember to like put timestamps when I did take the trade. News to be the Better Business Bureau doesn't really mean shit. They basically paid for that, but it looks good. At least they were willing to, whereas other prop firms weren't. It's more of an optics thing. It's like the Federal Reserve being, not being fucking federal at all. It just sounds like it is. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to bounce, guys. We put in some good work today. I appreciate you for hanging out. I'll be on tomorrow. Yeah, K9, thank you. I'll be on tomorrow. Obviously, not for Power Hour because the market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern, which is 10 a.m. for me. So I'm going to try to hop on, I don't know, 8:30, 9 o'clock my time. I'm going to try to catch the last hour or two of the market. So if you guys are around, Smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and maybe YouTube will actually tell you that I'm streaming. But also, I'll be posting in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord yet, here's the link for the Discord. It's free for now. Let me just grab that link. Join the Discord. Here's the link for the Discord. It's free. And if you're going to grab any accounts with Apex, they brought back the 80% off sale. It's good until Thursday. $65 lifetime activation fee on the smaller accounts and $125 on the larger accounts. Lucid has that black account. They're doing, what, 40% off for that shit? What did I fucking put? What did I put on that? I put it in here. Take Profit Traders 40% off with no activation fee. Trade Days 40% off with no activation fee. Yeah, 40% off any size Lucid Black account. Everything else is 30% off with the best fucking code 0DayJ. I still like the Flex more personally. This is the Apex deal. Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, both 40% off with no activation fee. Trade Day, actually, if you've never had an account with them, I highly recommend you do, and you'll also get an extra 10%. So new users will get 50% off their first account. They have, day one payouts, daily payouts while you're sim funded, but blah, blah, blah. 83% off Bullinox, all that shit. I got to go. I'm fucking tired. I'm crashing over here. It's hot in here, so I'm like fucking, it's making me sleepy. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your night. I'll be in the Discord in and out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Anyone who comes and hangs out. All right. Peace.